Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and very good at your home. My name is Asma Jabeen and Alhamdulillah I am fine too. Today I have come back again to reinforce the previous sound which we have done in the last video. आज हम ख का reinforcement करेंगे. Before starting our work, before starting our writing practices, let's sing phonic sound. F, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, K, S, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want you sing with me. Okay, clap for yourself, kids. Now we are going to reinforce our K sound with some K sound. Okay, kids, can anybody tell me which sound is this? This is K. This is K. K is curvy. K is curvy. Very good. This is K. Now, first we are going to read this K from this book. Now, open your book. We have done A sound. Then we have done B sound. Now today we will do this K sound. Reinforce the K sound. K. This is K. K is for cat. K, cat. K is for car. K, car. K is for carrot. K, carrot. K is for cow. K, cow. Now everybody, you have to open your two fingers. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. Very good. Now you have to read this page again and again. And after that, we will practice this K on salt tray. Now I'm closing the book. And I am taking out our salt tray. What is this? This is my salt tray. You all have this salt tray at your home. First, make it proper. मैंने जानबूझ के उस पर कुछ शेप्स बनाए थे ताकि जब मैं आपको बताऊं कि इसको proper किस तरह करना है. Now, we are going to start our K sound. Put your finger on the starting point. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. Now you all have to practice this salt tray again and again. K is curvy. K is curvy. Okay. Now we are going to do one more activity. But till then you have to practice this salt tray. Kids, you all have this small blackboard at your homes. Now we are going to write on this board with a chalk. Take a chalk, put a starting point and make a K. What we are going to make? We are going to make K on this board. We are going to make this K again and again. K is curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. K. Then again erase it and do it again. K is curvy. K is curvy. बार बार हमें ख की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ताकि जब हम कॉपी वर्क करें तो हमें प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ख इज curvy. K is curvy. K is curvy. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the next activity. Now you all have this copy at your home. This copy series is step 1. This copy series is step 1. Now what we are going to do? We are going to open it, and first we will open this page. This is K. Now we are going to trace this K. Open your 2 finger, put it on the starting point. K is curvy. K is curvy. Ask your child to do these activities again and again. The salt tray, the blackboard activity, and this copy activity. You have to trace this again and again. K is curvy. Now you have to turn the pages and open page number. Have to open पेज नंबर ख की एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं हम. यस दिस पेज नंबर 18. पेज नंबर 18 हमने ख की वोकैबुलरी डन की थी ना. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस ख. ख ख दिस इज ख. कैट, कैप, cup and ball. Now we are going to circle only k objects like cap. K, cap. We are going to make a circle with a crayon. Now we will use a crayon and make a circle around the k vocabulary. K, cap. Now k, cat. Yes, k, cat. Now next is k, ball. No, k is not for ball. B, ball. So b is not related to this. So now let's see cap. Cup. K, cup. K, cup. Yes, k, cup. Now we are going to circle the k. So this is the activity. Repeat this activity like this. K, cap. K, cat. K, cup. Yes, very nice. Now we are going to the next step. Okay, now we all have that booklet at our homes. हमारे पास सबके पास ये booklets हैं CA Model School की. Now we are going to open it and we will open this English section. Now we have done this already. कलर भी हो चुका है हमारा एप्पल में. ब भी डन हो गया है. बलून भी डन हो गया है. Now we will do this page. Page number 5. Now we will take a crayon. Any favorite color of your child. Like purple. I'm taking purple color. Now I'm going to put this crayon on the starting point and trace this K. K. We are going to trace it like this. We are going to write K on this hollow alphabet, hollow sound K. Likewise, we will take at least 5 crayons to write this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write at least with 5 crayons. Now after that we will turn our page and we will wow, this is a cake. We will color this cake very nicely. Okay, what we will do in this booklet? We will trace this K, hollow sound, and then we will color this cake. And let's see what I have other activity for you. Now we all have this copy in our syllabus. Copy series step 1 English. Now we will open this copy again and we will trace this K sound. K is curvy. K is curvy. Now we will turn the page and we will going to write K. trace this k. We will trace this page of k. What can you see on this page? This is k, k cat, k cap, k cup, k car. K is curvy, k is curvy. Now again we will take crayon and trace this big curve. Big curve. Now after that we have to trace this portion. And for this you can use a pencil, a color or a crayon, but only on few conditions. If you see that the holding and the grip of your child is not so good, and even you have to support the kid for writing, so don't use any pencil. Just use a crayon, a thick crayon, to write on this curve. But the crayon should be pointed and well sharpened. But if you find that your child's pencil grip is too good and he or she can hold a pencil properly, so you can give her a color or a pencil. Okay? Ask your child to trace this again and again. Complete this page and do practice the sand tray. Do practice on sand tray and on a small board for more practice. Okay, so now kid, did you see what we have done? In the last video we introduced a sound to you, that k sound. Now in this video I tell you how to practice k. You can practice k on sand tray, on your picture book, on your small blackboards, on your copy tracing page. So do practices these activities at your home, and these activities are not done in one class only. We are taking 5 classes of Zoom. We are taking Zoom class daily. So these activities were done on the class on the daily basis. Okay, so see this video. This video is basically for them who are not able to take the classes due to any genuine reasons. So take this watch this video. Keep practices these exercises, these activities at home, and stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.